What's up, everybody? PrefixWiz coming at you with another Unity tutorial. Continuing our series on Unity C#, today we're going to talk about how to implement ads into your project. And that starts right now.
Counting double-digit values.
How to easily implement ads into your project. Let's open up Unity. All right, so the first thing to note is I went ahead and changed this to an Android build. It could be Android or iOS. I set the game view to portrait, and I already have a canvas here with a panel on it. Inside this panel, we're just going to go ahead and create a button real quick. And we'll just call this button Watch Ad. And the first thing we need to do is just set up our project so that it can utilize the ads. So we'll just go up here to Window and click on Service. All right, when service pops up, we want to go ahead and click Analytics. I believe you do have to have Analytics on when you're using the ads function. All right, and once that's on, we're going to go ahead and turn on the ads. All right, and it's going to ask you if you want to monetize your games. Of course, you do want to. And for this purpose, since we're only testing it and we're not online yet, we want to put it in test mode. All right, so the first thing we want to do is just go to the dashboard here. And if you already don't have the project set up, just go ahead and create another project. And I called it over here Tutorial. Okay, now for right now, that's all we need to do. Okay, so let's go ahead and go back into Unity. And right now we're going to create a script, and we're going to call this script Ad Manager. All right, let's go ahead and double click it and open it up in MonoDevelop. All right, since we're using advertisements, the first thing we want to use is using Unity Engine.Advertisements. Okay, so for this purpose, we're going to create a public string. We're going to call it placement ID, and we're going to say rewarded video. We're going to use, for this purpose, rewarded video, meaning the user gets something in return for watching the entire ad. We're going to create a public function called show ad. And inside here, we're just going to do a couple of casts. And we'll go ahead and add this handle show result function and show result. Now inside here, it's pretty simple. If result is finished, then what do we do if it's finished? How do we reward the player? You can call another function in here. You can do anything you want. Right now, we're just going to print, yay, you received some glitter. If that's not the case, then maybe this is the case. If the result was skipped, then this is what we're going to do. For this purpose, we're just going to print, video was skipped. And if the result was it failed, you could call functions, or you could just simply put an error in the ad stream. So we're going to save that. Let's go back into Unity and let's go and create an empty game object. We're going to call this game object add.mgr. All right, and let's put this script right on top of that ad manager there. Now let's go to where our button was. So when we click this button, we're going to watch that ad. Go ahead and add an on-click event, and let's go ahead and put the ad manager script in there. And what that's going to do is look on that ad manager and look for that public function. Okay, so now there's the script and there's that function show ad. Okay, so if we were to hit play right now, this should initialize, and it does. And if we were to click, the ad would play. Now here's the important part. The ad has played, and that show result function happens at the end. So you click close, and there you have it. Yeah, you receive some glitter. Boom, we got some glitter, we got some glitter. You know, so they're excited. You know, the user's now excited. They got something in return. They got an extra life, they got an extra potion, they got whatever it is that you're doing, they got it. Now, there's a very important note to all this. Make sure that you go back into your dashboard over here after you upload your projects to the proper platform to complete your project's integration, if you will. They're going to ask for something both from the iTunes and Android's developer stores IDs, okay? So just make sure that you go back and you fill those in so it knows exactly where that information is coming from and where it needs to be sent to. You guys can check out how I implemented my advertisements on Digit Dodge game here, and it's available on both Android and iOS. It's free to download, so go ahead and check it out. As always, thank you for watching my videos. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button, and in either case, subscribe.